Hello and welcome along to this PowerPoint presentation where today I will be showing you the installation process and the training process in relation to using Read and Write for online assessments and exams. This is primarily aimed at students of the Cork Institute of Technology in relation to them using this software for the online assessments with Canvas, online PDFs and so forth. So in relation to using Read and Write, there are a number of prerequisites before using it for your online assessments and online exams. The first aspect would be to take care in the installation process, and in order to do that you would need to have an internet access on your computer where Read and Write is installed. There will also be an installation document which will be sent to you from the DSS service, which outlines in fine detail how to install Read and Write Gold software on your computer. So whether it's on the Windows computer, whether you have a laptop or a MacBook and so forth, the installation process goes through that. So following on from the installation, and hopefully that should be successful with you, the next stage then is in the training process. So there are a number of video tutorials, very short and very concise in terms of showing you how to use it. It's a very straightforward process to use this software, and if you are unsure about using the software, it's imperative that you practice a number of occasions, and particularly before doing your online exam or assessment with Canvas. And move to the next aspect in terms of the installation, activation and practice process. So as I stated to you, you will be receiving an instruction manual on how to install and activate the Read and Write Gold software. It's a very straightforward process, and at the end of that manual there are video tutorials to supplement the instruction manual to show you how to install it. In terms of the practice, again, as pointed out, it is essential that you look over the video tutorials that have been created by the CIT Assistive Technology Service in relation to showing how to set up the narration, configuration and so forth for Read and Write. And then it's just a simple process of practicing how to use it. Now in relation to those two video tutorial playlists, there are essentially two video tutorial playlists which showcase how to configure the voice and then how to use the software. And I cannot emphasize enough the importance of practicing before your online assessments or exams. Now in terms of installation difficulties, if you have installation difficulties installing the software, or indeed if you have activation difficulties, you will need to contact the company that makes Read and Write, and that is TextHelp, and their email is support@texthelp.com. Thank you very much indeed, and the very best of luck with your exam.